Sanjay Dutt's look is taken from a real person, Chaudhary Aslam.
Ji.
Now, first of all, are those Kaptan chappals he's wearing? For those who don't know, Kaptan chappals are these traditional leather sandals from Pakistan. They're often worn by military and political figures, and it's also Imran Khan's signature style. So, how much of that did you take? How much of the style did you take from the real person, and what did you add or leave out?
Everything from the real person has been taken. Everything. Except the Peshawris, that the Kaptan chappals that you're mentioning, were something that he wore, I believe, once or twice in any of his pictures that we've seen. Otherwise, he used to be such a rookie. He was dabang in real terms. You know, whatever research we've had on SP Chaudhary Aslam, he was this guy who did not care. Ready-made patanis uthate the, clearly, because all his patanis had a little tag on his pocket, you know. So they were not even stitched, just so you know. Okay, so he used to just pick them up. His buttons used to be mostly open. Sleeves aise fold kiya. He has been seen on sites when the Lyari shooting was actually happening. The real images, if you actually see, he's in a sandal. You know, so we've taken everything from him and given Sanjay sir exactly that. But the only thing that I changed in some sequences were shoes for him, because it was important for him to have that in, you know, because when you shoot action, safety is extremely important, you know. And as much as you want to stick to the real zone, you don't want anybody harmed. So those days, those places, you do have to take you have to make these choices which protects the crew and the actor and everybody. So I think the shoes were only there. Otherwise, most of the places we've been in Peshawris, and Chaudhary Aslam to हवाई चप्पल में पहुंचते थे, literally. बस वो हमने नहीं दिया. हमने कहा थोड़ा ज्यादा थोड़ा सा कंफर्ट दे दे, इतना ग्रफी नहीं दिखाते. वो घड़ी भी नहीं पहनते. He never used to wear घड़ी. So Sanjay sir has sometimes kept his sleeves full, but Aslam, एक sleeve ऊपर है, एक sleeve गिर रही है. He didn't care at all. His entire agenda was to ensure that terrorists or politicians जो भी गलत काम करें मैं उनको सबको खत्म कर दूं. That was his agenda. And I was going to tell you this, that there was this one time he's being awarded a ceremony which we've also seen in the film, the award ceremony of जो टीवी पे आता है actually, जो हमने शूट किया था by the way, वो हमारे टीवी पे आता है कि चौधरी असलम को ये I'm forgetting the name, some सितारे something से नवाजे जा रहे हैं. तो that's the only picture of S. Chaudhary Aslam you will find he in an uniform, and he is, you can tell from the picture that he's uncomfortable. We have all laughed so hard कि पहना नहीं जा रहा बेचारे से. By the way, just so you know, even though Sanjay sir को हमने tie वाई सब पहना था, Chaudhary Aslam has decided to not wear the tie. भाई दबंग हो तो है, मतलब यूनिफॉर्म में अवार्ड लेने गए हुए, वहां पर भी उन्होंने पूरी यूनिफॉर्म नहीं पहनी. एंड ऐसा लगा था, फोटो है उनकी इतनी सी, आप कभी मैं आपको अगर गूगल करके भेज सकूं तो इतनी है. एंड इट्स ऑलमोस्ट लाइक ही इज डाइंग ब्रेथलेस. ही इज लाइक दिस इन दैट पिक्चर. इट्स टू फनी. सो वी कॉपीड एवरीथिंग अबाउट चौधरी असलम ऑन हिम.
Throughout the film, he wears white. Did you try to make it different, like one look from the other, even though दोनों white?
या बहुत, मैंने बहुत टेक्सचर्स इसमें ऐड किए हैं. Then one white to another, there are multiple shades of white. There's a creamy white, there's a off white, there is pearl white. We wanted to choose the richer looking whites, and in that I've chosen self stripes. In that I've chosen diced fabrics.